This is a 3000 liters per hour reverse osmosis water purifying and refilling plant, a project done by Tassmatt Limited. These two are raw water storage tanks that feed water to the purifying machine. Water flows through these pipes to a chlorine dosing pump where chlorination takes place before it gets to the booster pump. Water is then pumped through the fiber-reinforced vessel by the booster pump. The first vessel consists of graded sand medias, that is, sand media A which comes on top, sand media B which comes at the center, and sand media C which goes to the bottom. The purpose of the sand media is to the suspended solids in the water. Water then proceeds to the second vessel, which consists of activated carbon, which is used to remove free chlorine, bad odor, and taste reduction from the water. Water then proceeds to the filter cartridges, which filters dust, sand, and other suspended solids in the water. From the filtration process, water proceeds to the high-pressure pump, which pressurizes water through the RO membranes. Before water gets to the membranes, we have an anti-scalant dosing to prevent the RO membranes from scaling. The RO membranes are used to reduce the dissolved solids, for example sodium and fluoride, to the set standards by the WHO. Water flows through the membranes and comes out into two effluents, that is the permeate flow and the concentrate flow. Permeate flow is the clean purified water which is granted passage by the membranes. The concentrate flow is the water that is rejected by the membranes, that is the waste. The purified water is then stored in an airtight stainless steel tank. From the storage tank we have a booster pump that is used to transfer water into the filling station. Before water gets into the filling station, we have a UV sterilizer that disinfects the already purified water from bacteria. The permeate flow has a water testing point that is used for testing of total dissolved solids and the pH levels. This is a control panel for the following functions. This is a power switch. When it is switched on, this red light lights up to indicate that the machine is connected to a power source. The second switch is an operational switch to indicate when the machine is in operation or when the machine is in the process of purifying water. This green light lights up to indicate that the machine is in the process of purifying water. This is a standby light which lights up when the storage tank is filled and thus switching off the purification process. Automatically, when the level of water in the storage tank reduces or decreases, the standby light goes out and the green light lights up to indicate that the process of purification has resumed.